Hello, young learners. Today, I hope you enjoyed Sora and the Cloud. We are going to do a challenge of making 3 different types of airplanes and seeing if they fly differently, if maybe they go higher or fly farther. So get some paper, and you're gonna need the help of an adult to help you fold some different paper airplanes. All right, let's get started. Okay, now that we're done folding, let's get to flying. So go get your charts so we can chart how far these airplanes are going to fly. All right, I have my glider ready and we are going to go. All right, I have my second plane and I'm feeling ready to fly. And last but not least, the third plane. Ready, set. So now that our airplane has gone in its flight, let's chart how far it went. So our first model went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 feet. It went the farthest. The second airplane went half as far. It went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our last plane went just a little bit farther than our orange one. It went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet. So I encourage you to keep on flying your airplanes and see if they keep on going the same distance, if they go farther, if it's different inside from outside, and enjoy your time exploring and learning.